Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to go exploring tonight from me at home here in Australia, Logan Village, to the Badger Stone. This is a diagram. You can print this out from the internet. Now, the Badger Stone is located in Ilkley Moor in Yorkshire, England. Okay, so from here we will type in Ilkley Moor. There we go. Search. And here we go, flying over to Ilkley Moor to visit the Badger Stone. Let's explore. Okay, here's Ilkley Moor, and the Badger Stone is located about here. So let's zoom in and have a look. Is that it? Yes, it is. There it is. I wasn't too far out, was I? Okay, now as you can see, that's quite a big lump of rock. Okay, and it's sloped into a point on both sides. Okay, now if we open the internet and have a look at the Badger Stone, you can see the shape of this rock, and you can see all of this on it. Okay, so let's have a look here. Type in the Badger Stone. There we go. I'll use that. Boing. And images. Well, there's an image there, but have a look. We'll see what we've got here. Moving right along. Okay, now this and this and this is all the Badger Stone. Okay, and as you can see, there's a diagram, and this is the one here that I've tried to print out but not so well. Okay, that one there, and it didn't come out well because I didn't orient it well, but it's good enough for the purposes we need for exploring tonight. Now, as you can see on the diagram here, everything here is on the stone. Disregard crap like this, it's not accurate, but this is. Okay? And this is a reasonably accurate reproduction of what's on this stone. So let's go back to our main screen here. Zoom out a little. Making sure that we're at north and we're level to the ground. No slanted views. And let's have a quick look around at this stone. Now, or the area I should say, that it's in. Now if you have a look here, this stone is like a sort of a ridge line, and that represents a ridge line, I would assume. Now when I first started exploring this stone, I thought that this was this, but I was wrong, because it simply took me a long while to figure out nothing. I couldn't line up anything. So I looked at the stone and I thought, well, what am I missing here? And the fact was, I was missing the fact that this is on this side of the hill, or should I say stone. So why should this not be on this side of the ridge? So I explored all of this, half of the Ilkley Moor. Okay, so all of this I explored to try and find representations of this. Okay, and I did. I came up with the right answers. Okay, so let's zoom out a little more. And oh, wait on, we're not supposed to be going in, we're going out. Okay, about there. Okay, now let's get rid of this thing in the middle here. And have a look. Okay, this, all of these things can be used as reference points if you know how to use it. So this here is this, okay? And there it is. So you place that over there and just have a quick look under to see if anything lines up. And have a look. Okay, this is this. So we have two reference points, that one and that one. Can we match this one? Yes, we can. And there it is. Okay? Have a look. All there. So if you have a look here, all of this lines up down here for some reason. Okay, and you can see three tiny little dots here. That is that. Okay? See that tiny little dot, that tiny little dot, that one there. And it's almost spot on it. Okay, so what's this? Check it out. It's there. Okay? Funny enough, so's all of this. Have a look. There it is. All there. All the line marks. And this here. Have a look. There it is. It's a funny thing. Even this here. And it lines up. Have a look. See for yourself. Okay? Now let's go over here, and we're going to zoom in on this because it's notable that this has a lot of things around it, all of this structure here. Okay, so let's zoom in on this. Okay, now if you look, everything here is here in this area. Okay, and it matches perfectly. And it's a funny thing that people haven't seen this before. Okay, but there you go. That's Ilkley Moor, and it's all there for you to see. All you got to do is line it up. Use the reference points, look for them. Okay, so let's have a quick look again, and you'll see how this mapstone here pops out at you through this diagram. Oh, we've gone too far out. Coming in. That'll do. Okay, now here's our road. It's moved a bit, but that's bad luck. Put that there, put that there. Line this up here. There it is. It's all still there, and it's all still in the same spot. Okay? And there. So let's have a look here. What's this here? Okay, there's a tiny little hill here that this lines up on. And there it is. Okay, we're going to do a zoom in on my next video on some of the areas in here. And look at this, right? See this? This here, all right? And like I said, this area here, have a look at the structure in this here, and then look at that. It is all here for you to have a look at. Okay? It's a good way to explore, isn't it? Okay? I have fun doing this. I love it. Oh, wait on, we've moved again. Put it down there again. Oh, it's very slippery, but you can get it. And there we go, that one there, and there we go, our 3 dots here. This one here, all our reference points are lined up. This one here very much interests me because it seems to be a dead end road going into a nothing but a point here, and they must have had a reason to put that there. And I've had a look close up, it's a road, and I cannot see for the life of me what it is when I zoom in. But perhaps you guys over there can have a walk around and see what this is. And this little thing here, okay, what is this? We're going to zoom in on this now before I close the video just to see what it is. This one here, okay, which is this here. Oh, come on. Okay, centered, and where's my slider? So what's here that so much interested these guys? Okay, and there is something here. I do believe that this place here is called Rivik or something when you turn the names on. And I wonder what was so important here that they had it marked. Okay, this is Rivik. Okay, this here is this here. Okay, that there, that there. And look, there's even other things here that I've found on this, around here, that are all in here. So what does it all mean? I suppose it's for archaeologists to find out, not me. Okay, there's a lot of stuff here. Okay, this is a very ancient site, was on this map. And this map here is this here, which is supposed to be around 4,000 to 5,000 years old. Okay guys, you figure it out. Have fun exploring. I do. Bye.